First trade of the day and is on gold. We're still holding this trade. We set our stop at $70. So this week we're focused on proper entries. First, let's just dive right into the funded. Earlier I told you guys we were so close to getting funded on Lucid, 2 funded accounts, and we're also even going to dive into the trades that we took here on Topstep as well, guys. So we took 4 trades. Yes, 4 trades. I took 2 bounce trades on gold, one being here, sold it for a quick gain, another bounce here, sold it for a quick gain. Day 16 of turning an evaluation account into a funded account, guys. Good morning and welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. That was a little bit of a tongue twister. Guys, it is January 26th, brand new day, brand new week, and we're gonna treat every single trade like it's a new opportunity to get some great potential and change the way we think, change the way we feel about trading. Trading should not feel stressful. It shouldn't feel like, although trading can be difficult, once you build a system, you almost become numb to losses, wins. A few things that I want to run through this morning is we have a few accounts following us, as well as, guys, 8 losing days, 8 winning days. It's not the best month, but I will say for 8 losing days, that's pretty good. As well as we even have 2 trading accounts with Lucid, one being a funded account, one being an evaluation account. Guys, price target was $12.50, but we made that in 1 day. I did not know it was supposed to be split into 2 days. 2 days. And here's my P&L, at least on one of them. Just recently got a funded account from Lucid. They have 3-day payouts, which is literally insane, guys. So once we take our first payout here from Lucid, we'll show you guys. After at least trade a total of 8 days before I can take my first fund out, but I am practically eligible for payout at this point. I just have to wait 8 more days. So by January 30th, I should be able to get it funded. I should be able to get a payout, as well as this account here should be funded by tomorrow, and I should be able to get a payout by the end of this month. First trade of the day and is on gold. Reason why, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, this was the pullback entry. Most definitely saw the better entry earlier, but it is what it is, guys. We're gonna slap our entry now and get it. All-time highs. This is gonna be all-time high push if we do even get it, so we're gonna be very careful on that. About to hit 100 here soon, and then put our stops at break even, possibly. We're still holding this trade. We set our stop at $70 just in case, but guys, it looks pretty strong still. Either way, we're either gonna get stopped or it's gonna go in favor a lot more. So this week we're focused on proper entries, proper trade setups. Even if we trade all-time highs, doesn't necessarily matter, but we need to capture the most dippiest dip pullback we can get if we're gonna slap longs. Now in this case, we did kind of get a decent dip entry. Could have been better, but I'm not gonna play the coulda, woulda, shoulda game, because again, it's either you did or you didn't. There is no coulda took that, shoulda took this. If you're tired of saying coulda, woulda, shoulda, all you have to do is the next day or the next trade on your coulda, woulda, shoulda moment is just slap it, man. Then you can say, man, I did that, I took that trade. Instead of saying, man, I should have took that trade, I could have took that trade, I could have printed. I filled right now as we speak for, again, $49, which is what's expected if this trade pulls back on us. I'm not worried about taking a stop loss in profits. I'm not worried about, man, I should have took my gain, I could have took that 150, guys. You never know. And one thing that I like to say is this: every single trade that you take, there's always a could have, would have, should have moment. There's always a could have held it for a little bit more gain. There's always a could have took it and should have took it earlier than the stop loss. There's always a could have, would have, should have moment. You got to stop having that could have, would have, should have mindset and start acting, start just executing. So it's very easy for me to say right now, man, should have took that 150, man, should have took that 113. But the difference is I set a stop loss and tried my absolute best to try to hold it for even more gains, so that I could say, man, I did hold it, instead of, oh, I should have took it. You know what I'm saying? It's a different in mindset, guys. You guys need to flip that brain around. Guys, we have gotten funded with our Lucid account. We're gonna show you guys a couple things. We're gonna dive into our trades today and everything, guys. So stay tuned right now. We're gonna dive into all the trades. We're gonna dive into the funded we just got, everything. First, let's just dive right into the funded. Earlier, I told you guys we were so close to getting funded on Lucid. I accidentally made all the profits in 1 day, and then it made me make another $800. So I did that today, guys. And guess what? As you guys can see, I have passed the funded account here at 3:49 p.m. So 49 minutes since the market opened, I done made $800 in 49 minutes. Who else you know is doing that? A lot of people are, but guys, click the link in the bio to learn how to do that, just like how I did it. Also, as you guys can see here, Lucid account, just got it. It is funded. We also have a Lucid Direct that I did buy, as well as we got funded right now on a Lucid Black account, guys. So we have two funded accounts, and we're also even going to dive into the trades that we took here on Topstep as well, guys. So we took 4 trades. Yes, 4 trades. First one, as you guys saw with that first trade that we took, we set it at $49 loss. It ended up stopping me out in profits, or sorry, set my stop in profits, ended up stopping in profits. Then we took another 2 trades, as you guys can see here, entered one and then entered another one, guys, on the same trade. So I did take one gain of $37. With the second trade, I held it for a little bit longer for $108, which put me at like a nice $190 day. Then I took a $70 loss here, and then we was up a nice $190, almost $200. And I decided to take another short here. And guys, this short would have paid. Unfortunately, I set my stop loss at a $75 loss or $70 loss. Stopped me out. Had I put it at my original stop, which is usually typically $100 per con, I probably wouldn't have got stopped out. I gotta look back at the charts. But with all that being said, we traded gold all the time, and we could probably even look at all our gold trades here. Let's honestly just do that for a quick moment while we have some time, guys, because again, we're gonna wrap it up here soon, show you guys our funded accounts and everything. So gold. I took 2 bounce trades on gold, one being here, sold it for a quick gain, another bounce here, sold it for a quick gain, and then this is where I decided to take my short, guys, and literally entered here and got stopped out here. Literally, bro, it ended up rejecting. Then I accidentally took a random ass $8 loss here trying to go long, but I was like, guys, I realized I cannot trade Asia session, especially on my Topstepx account. I want to stick to it on my Tradeovate account. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to show you guys a quick wrap up. We got funded, 2 funded accounts. We're gonna have 8 funded accounts if this all works out. Then we plan on taking quick little payouts like $1,000 times 8, guys. That's gonna be nice. $5,000 times 8. Come on, everything's gonna be wild. So anyways, have a great rest of your guys' day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.